What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to freeze your Credit One credit card. Now there are a couple of ways to do this. The first is online freeze. Now, how you want to do that is to log into your Credit One account online, and then you want to click on the account setting tab and then just choose the card control option, and then you just want to toggle the card freeze to switch to freeze your credit card. Now for mobile app freeze, what you want to do is to access the Credit One mobile app on your device, and then just enter your username and password to log into your account. And once you're logged in, you want to tap on the account setting icon and then just choose the card control option, and then just toggle the card freeze, and that's going to switch to freeze your credit card. Now for phone freeze, what you want to do is to call Credit One's customer service. The number is right there on the screen, and they're going to you're going to need to share your credit card number and other identifying information to access your account, and then just ask the representative to freeze your credit card for you, and they're gonna do that. Now a couple of freeze restrictions. The first is no new transaction will be allowed while your card is frozen. Also recurring payments such as subscriptions, those may still be processed. So freezing your card is not going to affect recurring payments, but you can also just unfreeze your card at any time by just contacting Credit One support customer support service, or you can just do that on the mobile app. Now a couple of tips for you guys here. The first is to freeze your card as soon as possible if it is lost, stolen, or compromised. You also want to make sure that you monitor your account regularly to detect any suspicious transactions, and also just reach out to Credit One's customer service if you have any questions or concerns about freezing your card. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you found the video useful. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.